welcome back to my channel. It's me, your YouTuber Shreya, and you're watching Shreya's Fun Box. In today's video, I'm going to be preparing an Italian prawns dish, which is made of ginger, garlic, tomatoes, onions, carrot, chopped lemon, and egg, purple cabbage, chopped potatoes, broccoli, prawns of course, and olive oil and some macaroni. These are the things you'll need to prepare the dish. And you'll also need butter, some pepper, oregano powder, and salt. These are the things you'll need for this cooking dish. So before we start with our main course, we are going to make some side salads for the dish. For this, first put some carrots in a bowl. You'll need the carrots first. And then put the onions in. After putting the onions in, what you need to do is you need to smash the thing, I think. Yeah, you need to mix it really well. You need to not make it into a mush. You need to mix it really well. Then finally add the tomatoes as well, and just mix them together until they are well mixed together like this, like my dad is doing here. You need to mix it really well. After that, add in the lemons which you had chopped earlier, so you can squeeze it in, all the lemons you have in there, how many you chopped. And then add some salt in there too, and mix it well again. You need to mix the spices really well. And then our salad, our first salad actually, is ready. Yay! For our next salad, we are using purple cabbages. So first you should sprinkle some salt on the purple cabbages and mix it well with your hands, as you can see. Then add more salt if needed. You should check if you need it first. And then mix it really well. You can also add lemon juice like we did for the last salad. If wanted, you can also add oregano and really mix it really well. And then what next we need to add is some chili flakes. As you can see, we are using chili flakes here. And you can also add some olive oil for some taste. And just mix it well with a spoon this time, because there are more spices. So mix it with a spoon, and there you go, your salad is ready. So first, we are going to be starting with the main course. So in the main course, we have macaroni, vegetables, and stir-fried prawns. First, we are going to be preparing the macaroni. For this, you need to put some butter on the pan and heat it. After that, you need to add the macaroni and stir-fry it for a while. And then after stir-frying, you can see here, you need to stir-fry a little bit more, as you can see. And in the middle, you can add some salt and pepper to it. You can also add oregano if wanted, it's optional. We have only added salt and pepper. So here it is. My dad is here preparing the macaroni, and yeah, here I am. So again, next we are going to be preparing the vegetables. So again, add the butter and let it melt. So for the vegetables, we picked potatoes and broccoli. So you need to add that in as well. You need to add both of them in at the same time and just stir fry it. And just like we did for the macaroni, you can also add salt and pepper, and if wanted, you can also add oregano, but like earlier, we only put salt and pepper in it. So yeah, you can also add some more butter if needed. Here is our macaroni. And again, back to our vegetables. It's almost done here. And close the lid for a while. And then again, stir fry it for a while. After that, it's almost done, and then we are gonna just stir fry it a little bit more, and then lastly we are gonna move it to a plate because it's done. You can also add eggs at the side, you can see here. And then next we are going to prepare the prawns. Again, do the same steps with the butter, let it melt, and then add the prawns. This is meat, so it needs to be cooked really well. So stir fry it and then add salt and pepper like earlier, and stir fry it for a while as well. Because it's meat, it needs to be mixed really well because it needs to be cooked and really well. You need to you can't eat raw meat, so you need to cook it really well. And you can see a close-up shot of the prawns. It's really nice. It smelled really nice. I couldn't hold my hungriness. So our prawns is almost done here as well. So as you can see, it's red because it's cooked. And lastly we need to add garlic and ginger. We have cut it earlier. If you remember in the ingredients part, I told there's garlic and ginger. And then stir fry the garlic and ginger with the prawns and add some lemon juice, just a little bit, just a pinch of lemon juice, and then stir fry it again till it's cooked. So we are almost done here, and yeah, now it's time to move the stir-fried prawns to a plate. We are going to place it near the macaroni. So practically that's our main course, and the other sides are the salads. As you can see, yummy prawns, macaroni, and then here is our whole dish. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.